If you're an adventure traveler, you'll want to bring along a good camera to capture beautiful landscapes and experiences. Many people use their smartphones for that purpose, and I admit that the new models can capture pretty good pictures. However, if you want to get to the next level and take serious, impressive photos, I recommend that you invest in a digital camera. When it comes to finding the perfect hiking camera, the options can be overwhelming. From different features to varying prices, it can be difficult to know where to start. To assist in your search, I have done extensive research, gone through numerous reviews, and compiled a list of the best hiking cameras from reputable brands. After my deep research, I have found these products to be most beneficial for individuals like yourself. For more information on pricing and other details, be sure to check out my video description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Sony Alpha A6600 Mirrorless Camera. The Sony A6600 is a popular choice among professional photographers. Many pros bring their Sony A6600 as a backup when they are taking outdoor photos. It's equipped with a 24.2 MP sensor and takes impressive high-quality images and videos. At the same time, it's weather-sealed and costs much less than a Pro DSLR. It's compact, lightweight, and reliable. The kit comes with an 18 to 135mm lens, which isn't impressive. If you want to get the best out of this camera, consider buying another lens. Number 4. Canon PowerShot G7X Camera. The Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III is another great option among point-and-shoots. It features a nice 3-inch touch LCD display, Wi-Fi connectivity, a remote shooting system, image sync function, and others. Overall, it's a great camera for its price. Only 2 cameras are in the point-and-shoot selection, so I'd like to do a little comparison here. The Canon G7X has a bit more focal length at a maximum 100mm, and it's much cheaper than its competitor. On the other hand, the Sony RX100V has better overall performance. Both are compact, lightweight, and portable, and have good sensors with 20.1 MP that shoot impressive pictures. Number 3. Nikon D850 Digital SLR Camera. Much like the D800, the Nikon D850 is built like a tank. It's a big, heavy sucker with the words "kick some ass and take some names" written all over it. The size and weight is something that most reviewers mention as being a negative attribute, but I personally like a bit of heft when shooting. It just feels right in my hands. I like to know that what I'm holding is a professional camera body, and, well, that's exactly what the Nikon D850 is. The Nikon D750 is great and all, but it feels like a toy by comparison. Much like the other camera bodies in Nikon's Pro line, the D850 is weather-sealed. I don't know what this means exactly, but I'll tell you this: I dumped an entire cup of steaming hot coffee directly onto this camera and nothing happened. Nothing. It still has a bit of an acrid smell when I hold it up to my face, but other than that, there was no damage whatsoever. Number 2. GoPro Hero 10 Black. The GoPro Hero 10 Black is probably the best action camera you'll find on the market right now. It features a 2-inch touch display, voice control to activate the camera, amazing hypersmooth 4.0 stabilization, and high-definition 5.3 Kelvin video. It's waterproof down to 10 meters without the need for a housing. Of course, if you want to dive deeper, housings are available for that. It's a great camera for backpacking, hiking, and other outdoor sports because it's super compact and ultralight, and the batteries last for a long time. It comes with an image stabilization system to capture smooth videos. The image quality of the sensor is quite good and the video resolution is impressive. The wide focal length is perfect for adventure sports and landscape shooting. Number 1. Olympus TUF TG6 Waterproof Camera. The Olympus TG6 Touch is a good option for those who need a really resistant camera for outdoor sports. It's waterproof down to 50 feet, shockproof to 7 feet, and dustproof, and it withstands low temperatures. The focal length is 4.5 to 18mm. The widest focal length isn't very wide, but it'll do the job. If you really want to take wide landscapes, though, it's not the best choice. It comes with many helpful adventure features like underwater mode, data log mode, macro modes, live composite mode, built-in Wi-Fi connectivity, GPS and compass, and action modes. Even though you can't change lenses, it offers the option to add lens converters. You can attach a fisheye converter to capture wide shots and a telezoom converter to extend the zoom range. Overall, it's portable, lightweight, versatile, and resistant, and the image quality isn't bad for a compact camera. That's all. I make helpful videos daily, so make sure to subscribe to my channel. If you need additional information or have questions about pricing, be sure to check out the video description. For any kind of issues, please leave a comment below. Stay informed with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.